I love the term invitations. You send an invitation to a birthday party for a 5-year-old to 5-year-olds. You don't send it to the 40-year-old down the block who doesn't know the kid. You send it to 5-year-olds. You send the invitation to somebody that you can relate to, somebody that you know. They're a key part of you building your network. You're asking someone to join you on LinkedIn. They're going to be a first-level connection if you send them an invitation. Those people should be, the way I perceive it, the way Dave perceives it, and actually the founder of LinkedIn was recently interviewed and he said the same thing. I'll paraphrase what he said and say it the way I always do. This should be people you know, people you trust, people you wouldn't mind helping, and people you wouldn't mind asking for help. If somebody doesn't fit that category, they likely shouldn't have any place on your first level connection. When you do an invitation, you put information in there that jogs their memories. Remind them of where you know them from and what they might have done to help you in the past. Introductions, another great name. An introduction is someone you know connecting you up with someone you don't. It's likely that someone in your network knows someone in a company. If you're looking for a job and that's the company, you got a leg up.